So today I'm going to show you an eye look. And I really think of doing my makeup as almost a meditation. This product is a julep eye crayon, and it blends really easily. But as I'm doing my makeup in the morning, I'm just thinking about how I want to start my day. I'm getting myself in a good mood, thinking happy thoughts, thinking about what I'm looking forward to. And if there's anything stressful going on in my life, I like to think about how I can possibly reframe that. And so then next I'm going to do a Bobbi Brown stick in a lighter color. And the key to these crayons are really blending. So you can't really make a mistake because you can just keep on blending. And I am not an expert makeup person. I just enjoy really high quality products. And I feel like putting makeup on is part of a self-care routine. I feel better. Of course, I feel awesome with no makeup too, but I like that put together feeling and just how good I feel once I do the makeup. And this is a Lancome eye pencil. It goes on very smoothly. It's waterproof. And I'm never great at getting a really smooth line at first. So one thing I like about the pencil is it has a little sponge at the end that you can turn around and then go ahead and blend. And again, you can just keep blending. There really aren't mistakes. If you feel like you make a big mistake, just use a little bit of makeup remover on a Q-tip and fix it. You can see I got a little bit of black under one eye, and I'm going to fix that right now. And I probably would also use a little bit of eye makeup remover. And then I'm applying mascara. And this is waterproof Lancome mascara. And for day, I just do a little bit of mascara, and I only do it on my top eyelashes. And it seems when I do the bottom, I just kind of get it all over, or it kind of smears during the day, so I just do the top. And then now we're doing some eye pencil with Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is an eyebrow definer. And again, I am no expert. This just takes a little bit of practice, and you get to be more comfortable, but this goes on so smoothly, it makes it really, really easy. And I just follow the shape of my eyebrows, and I do get my eyebrows waxed every once in a while, and I also have them tinted, because I'm getting older. I want to keep those eyebrows a little bit darker. And you could definitely make them thicker. I know my daughters love to have really thick eyebrows, but for me, I'm kind of like less is more. That's just my style, kind of laid back. And then I'm finishing up with Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And I often just use this without even brow definer. It just gets your, I was going to say lashes, but no, your eyebrows in place. It brushes them up, keeps them in place, keeps the definer in place. And there we go.